That's the way you do it. Hard press. It goes on. Yeah, DJI, the sun is up. Beautiful day for the sun. Let me show you what it looks like. Don't you just love slow pans? You do like that. I have a lot of stuff, man. And I got some of it done. I was surprised. I got like 8 things. And I got 3 more. I gotta just get it completed. But one of them, I don't think I could do what I want to do, but I'll just finish it up. And then I'm gonna just do some more today. And it's gonna be a wonderful day indeed. A lot done, a lot accomplished. I got it sitting on this little one over there. It's all wet again. Oh yeah, man, let me tell you. Watch Mr. Crow. He's huge. I know I can hear somewhat, just a little bit. But I didn't even hear you start. People are now wanting a request. And DJ will hear you, but they're not going to listen and do it. And you could request all you want. It's not going to happen. And that's how DJI is. Well, you know, they listened to everybody and they made Osmo Action 3, but yet they didn't put some of the features that people wanted. Why would that be good for the Osmo Action 3? Why would a video timer be good? For one reason. It's not good at all because, you know, people want to set their camera up like so, and sit down and do their talk, and you can see the hesitation of setting up. They can't get in the frame of the shot. Somebody wanted an external mic that it just, you know, do a wireless Bluetooth mic, and the camera would automatically be set up, and you have that mic to purchase from DJI, and DJI will sell you that mic. Turn the camera on and just turn the mic on, and off you go. You don't need a second part. You just have a receiver. So DJI's got all these cameras. Say they made 100,000 cameras, and they made 100,000 wireless mics. Now, what if only 20,000 people want it? What are you going to do with 80,000 mics sitting in the warehouse? One, the cost is going to go up for the camera. 2, they're going to have stock just sitting there wasted. So DJI don't have to make the mic. They can have a third party do the mic, but they could add the part in, and they could have now the option for you to plug in the mic as well as a wireless mic, as well as a constant on with power hooked up. DJI never going to make it happen. It's just going to sit there, and it's going to be a loss of money. And DJI is not about losing money. They're about gaining your profit, taking your money. But it's also who they want to give some of the features that we want. Maybe the OA4 will be what we're looking for. That won't happen to 2025. It takes them 2 full years to come out with the camera. We're still waiting for rumors to have it, a Pocket 3. And DJI has not even begun to make a 360-degree camera. They are far behind a GoPro. The way DJI could really pull ahead of GoPro is to concentrate on a better lens and a better sensor and give us an increased audible sound. And they could do it and make a much better camera. But what's going to happen is the size of the camera, of the action camera, is going to increase because it won't be able to fit all that into the new model now. I can no longer hold off waiting for a new camera. Once that camera comes out, I'm already with my camera, enjoying my camera. DJI, GoPro, Insta, and even Sony with the action camera. They gotta really come out with a new one if asked. Oh, the hype. Oh yeah. I'm Fish. I thank you for the talk, and I see you on many other videos to come. See one, do one, teach one. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot.